Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel The Face of Dominance. This bold, aggressive grille flanked by piercing LED headlights is more than just a design element, it's a declaration of intent. These aren't just lights, they're intelligent adaptive beams that adjust to road conditions, ensuring optimal visibility no matter the hour. And the signature Kia Tiger nose grille, it's been reimagined wider, more imposing. The sculpted hood, those muscular lines, they're not just for show, they channel air efficiently, improving aerodynamics and performance, and that subtle bulge, it hints at the power lurking beneath. This isn't your average Tasman. Custom enhancements have transformed this truck into a head-turner, wider stance, aggressive body kit, and those custom wheels, pure dominance. The 2025 Kia Tasman, it's not just a truck, it's a force of nature, a blend of raw power, intelligent design, and uncompromised style. Consider using dynamic camera angles and close-ups to highlight specific design features. Use high-quality audio and visual effects to enhance the overall impact of the video. Incorporate customer testimonials or expert opinions to build credibility. Highlight any unique selling points or features that differentiate the Tasman from competitors. Specify the grille type, mesh, honeycomb, its dimensions, and any unique design elements like chrome accents or integrated lighting. Detail the specific type of LED technology, their shape, round, square, or a combination, and any additional features like adaptive high beam or cornering lights. Describe the hood's contours, vents, and any power bulges or character lines that accentuate the truck's muscular look. Highlight the bumper's design, including any skid plates, fog lights, or air intakes. Mention if it's integrated with the grille or a separate component.